having trouble underneath, it's light enough you can just flip it on its side. Here are some examples of using it as a flatbed versus a dump cart versus like a
James,
moving
bring your
truck.
tractor over.
The top 3 things I use it for are hauling things to the brush dump like tree trimmings and stuff, hauling furniture, and getting building supplies, 2x4s, plywood.
This is our first time. We've never done this with James.
This is hilarious. Good job, Jimbo. You want to climb up there? Now, this load was the coup de grace. My dad unknowingly overloaded the original trailer and broke the leaf spring. I repaired that only to bend the axle the following year, hauling this sand for the sandbox for my kids. When I bought this trailer back in 2002, the largest capacity trailer they had was a 1,000-pound version. Today they sell a heavy-duty version, same size, which I opted for in 2021 when I replaced the original trailer with a new one. Fortunately, I was able to sell the original trailer chassis to a guy who was building a kayak trailer.
Hi, trailer. I'll miss you. So many memories and a bent axle.
I have modified this trailer with a fair amount of creature comforts. That will be the topic of next week's video. Discussion items on the docket are the following: split safety chain install, traveler tube for registration papers, custom tongue jack for keeping the weight of the tongue centered so it doesn't twist the frame, hoist D-rings for storing the trailer in a vertical position, an easy to build and maintain wiring harness that works, spare tire mount, decking that lasts in the elements, picket fence, folding license plate, and captured fence pocket pins. Very exciting. So I hope you enjoyed this little photo montage. Been wanting to do it for a long time. I hope you enjoyed it too, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.